I really regret not discovering this walkie-talkie earlier, so I don't have to buy so many models. Use this one for multiple purposes. That way you can save a lot of money. It has no limit on the distance of intercom, up to 6,000 km. Use SIM card mobile network. As long as there is a signal, the intercom distance is unlimited. Very suitable for fleets, logistics, tourism, security, and property. Whether it is a single call or a group call, it can meet your needs. In addition, there is a 5,000 mAh large capacity battery, Type-C interface. Say goodbye to the trouble of frequent charging. Next, I will show you the details of the fuselage. If you have any questions, you can leave a message and contact us at any time. Our team will respond as soon as we see the message.